Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel and my disaster of a kitchen. So today I'm going to be trying another one of the Alpine Aire rations. This one is called their Mountain Chili. So this one is 540 calories, supposedly has 42 grams of protein, and is somehow vegetarian. So I'm really curious to try this one out. So this one's pretty easy. It's just like all the others. It's freeze-dried, so it only requires 2 cups of boiling water, and then you let it sit for about 10 or 12 minutes and then consume. So let's go ahead and get some water started in the kettle and get this sucker going. All right. Oh, Jesus. Okay, yeah, sorry. Not enough coffee? Too much coffee? I don't know. We're gonna find out. So while we got that water going, let's go ahead and crack this thing open and see what it looks like. Oh, there's my favorite ingredient of all. Oxygen absorber. Ah, these are so good. Just kidding, don't eat those. All right, look at that. Has that actually got rice in it? I'm not sure what a lot of these ingredients are actually. A lot of beans, some corn. Not too bad. You know what? If we could read, which we can actually read, let's go ahead and do that. So, crushed pinto beans, interesting. Caramel colored textured vegetable protein, so soy. Tomato powder, cornmeal, chili powder, of course, it's chili. Freeze-dried sweet corn, my favorite. Low sodium salt, which seems counterproductive. Mixed red and green bell pepper, chopped onion, sliced mushrooms, garlic granules, cumin, oregano, and basil. Not bad. I already have a feeling that I'm gonna have to resort to putting more salt in this. And that's just because I hate myself. So how much sodium is actually in this? 590 milligrams for reduced sodium salt. Still seems kind of high. So let's go ahead and get that water cooking, add it, and see what we end up with. Oh, and they say a watched pot never boils. All right, let's go ahead and add our water and let it sit for 10 to 12 minutes. First off, I'm gonna pour this in here, but then I'm gonna give it a nice good stir with a spoon, get it all nice and mixed up in there. Gotta make sure we get all the water. Oh, how nice. All right. That is some hot water. Smells like chili. I don't really know what else I was expecting. All right, let's seal it up. And then we'll be back just a little bit. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this sucker cracked open and see what we got. Interesting. Let's get this put into a bowl, shall we? Not bad, decent consistency. Smells great. Looks like it's still hot. Let's give it a try. It's not bad, but like I suspected, short on salt. Try this. And of course, there is no true salt other than garlic salt. I put it on everything. Still had a piece of dry vegetable there from something. And still missing a little something something. Thinking my General hot sauce here I got a while back. from another YouTuber will be an excellent addition. That's probably a little too much, actually. But hey, we're gonna find out, right? Ooh, yeah, I can smell it. Well, yeah, that adds some heat. A little more salt. But overall, my impression so far of these AlpineAire meals are pretty good. Definitely not bad. They seem to be fairly healthy as well. I mean, considering they're long-term storage foods, right? But yeah, definitely not bad. If you get a chance to try them out, I definitely recommend it. I think I picked these up, like I said on my last video, which I'll link up above. I think I picked these up at Cabelas. So if you run across these, go ahead and give them a try. I'm gonna try a few more. I think I bought 1 or 2 more. And I'm gonna go through and just try them all and just kind of see what I think about all of them. But overall, so far so good. Anyway guys, really appreciate you joining me today. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this while playing some Battlefield 4. If you guys want to check out any of my other videos, I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did like this video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Helps me out a lot, lets me continue making content for you guys, and helps me build the community. So anyway guys, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.